Apologize for the wind out here today, but I'm going to put together this 10 drawer Craftsman toolbox, and it's a 2-part toolbox, but this one they didn't have any left and they couldn't find them, so they gave me the floor model with 10% off there at Lowe's. So I won't be assembling that one, but I'll be taking apart the bottom half of it, the bottom unit. Okay, got the box off. Here's the keys right here. So in order to get at the drawers, they come locked, and so I went ahead and unlocked it. Here's the handle here, and then pad, and then this one. This is the should be the casters for it. Directions. Okay, there's the casters. There's the bolts on. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this thing over now, put the casters on it. When I flipped it over, I made sure I put this under the back corners. I'm just gonna put them on, just kind of laying on the back. If I can, remove the styrofoam. Okay, you'll notice here that the black colored ones are non-locking casters. The silver ones have the locks on them. Here's the bolts for them. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is on the left side. Oh man, this thing's damaged right there, bastards. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the left side. They're locking, so that way you can slide it around. They swivel. They're swivel too. That was the other part of it. So I'm gonna put the black ones on the right side. That's enough to piss me off, but it's not enough to load it back up and take it back. Maybe I could say so. I did get 10% off the other floor model, but yeah, shoot, whatever. Anyway, I'll get these babies on. Okay, I got these in 10 millimeter, all 4 sides. So I got the adjusting ones in, and now I'm gonna go put these ones in that side same way. The trick with putting these on is leave them loose. Leave them loose because you're gonna get 3 in and the 4th one's not gonna line up. So leave them loose and just kind of rough them in, and then once you got them all started, then crank it down. All right, I got the casters all installed. Casters installed. Okay, now I'm just gonna install this handle. So the handle comes with the screws. I'm just gonna put it right there. All right, here's the handle. It's just gonna go on just like that. Super easy. Hex heads, or Phillips heads, cordless. One thing I love about these Milwaukee drill bits, or screw bits, whatever you wanna call them, they're magnetic. So you can put your screw on there and it's one-handed. So nice. Worse than dropping a darn screw. Okay, casters on, handles on. Okay, what I did was just stack this other one on this one. So you notice with this one, of course, again, got the display, but I put we put some foam down there to protect it. What you can do, so here's the key for this, right? The latch for this unit here. You can do that, lock it up, unlock it, and then if you want to lock your drawers, here's the trick there. So just kind of pull it out this way, back and unlocked right now. One of the cool features I like too is you can plug it in. They even got USB, so you plug in your phone, whatever. And the plug's just right back here, so you'll be able to plug that in, have power to it.